Embarking on a journey to a healthier lifestyle begins with reevaluating what and how you eat. Nourishing your body with fresh fruits, vibrant vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins lays the foundation for robust health. Each bite should be a celebration of flavor, colors, and variety. From a crisp salad topped with juicy berries to a hearty bowl of quinoa, brimming with nutrients. Adequate hydration is equally crucial. Water serves as your body's lifeblood, flushing out toxins and keeping your skin radiant. In addition to mindful eating, moving more transforms your health into a dynamic experience. Regular physical activity, whether through brisk walking, cycling, or engaging in dance, invigorates your body and mind. Picture the joy of feeling your heart race while you explore nature or share laughter with friends in a fun sport. Aim for a blend of cardiovascular, strength, and flexibility exercises for optimal health. Even small changes, like taking the stairs or stretching during breaks, can lead to substantial benefits over time. Yet, the essence of a healthy lifestyle extends beyond just diet and exercise. It encompasses embracing happiness and mental wellness. Cultivate mindfulness by engaging in practices such as meditation, yoga, or simply enjoying a quiet moment with a book. Surround yourself with positive influences and nourish your soul with activities that bring you joy. In this beautiful tapestry of well-being, the interplay between eating well, moving joyfully, and embracing positivity creates a fulfilling life brimming with vitality and happiness.